सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद.
Dawood Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Mufti-e Dawood Islami, consisting of 89 pages, states on page 23 and 24. The late Rukni Shura and Mufti-e Dawood Islami, Al-Hafiz Al-Qari, Abu Umar, Muhammad Farooq At-Tari Al-Madani, alayhi rahmatullahi al-ghani, loved Madani qafilas in word and deed. He used to give everybody the invitation towards Madani qafilas every time during the meeting. Whenever he was asked about a ruling, he always advised the addressee, after explaining the ruling, to travel in Madani qafilas in order to have curiosity for further knowledge.
Sallu ala al-habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
सल्लू अला हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह.